In addition to Merit's legacy of products of pipe, valves, fittings, and flanges, Merit also carries an offering of press fittings in carbon, copper, and stainless, known as carbon press, copper press, and stainless press. Merit's copper press fittings and valves, known as copper press, is an innovative solution for copper installations. Copper press fittings and valves are the most comprehensive offering for your copper press applications with over 350 SKUs. Copper press fittings are certified to ICC-ES-LC 1002 press connection fittings for potable water, tube, and radiant heating systems, IAPMO ANSI CAN Z1117 press connections, NSF ANSI CAN 61 drinking water system components health effects, NSF ANSI CAN 372 drinking water system components lead content. Copper press fittings also meet the following codes and standards: ASME B31.1 power piping, B31.3 process piping, B31.9 building services piping, IPC, IMC, IRC, UPC, and UMC, CPC and CMC, California Plumbing and Mechanical Codes, City of Los Angeles Plumbing and Mechanical Codes, Massachusetts Regulation 248 CMR 10, Uniform State Plumbing Code, Massachusetts State Building Code 780 CMR, 9th edition, Chapter 28. Copper press ball valve certifications include the following: ICC-ES-LC 1002, press connection fittings for potable water, tube, and radiant heating systems, IAPMO ANSI CAN Z1157 ball valves, NSF ANSI CAN 61 drinking water system components health effects, NSF ANSI CAN 372 drinking water system components lead content. These certifications, codes, and standards enable you to streamline your ability to specify and install Merit's copper press offering.
To schedule your training and demonstration with a member of our sales team today or learn more, please contact us at 800-726-9800 or visit us at meritbrass.com.